PackUp is a packaging and technology development startup. So we quite focus right now on consultancy and management. So we also do different services. No, meron kaming labeling. Aside from the consultancy, we had the labeling. Meron din kaming tech transfer and personal training. At the same time, packaging design. We also do tech solutions, which is just for the background, no, ng ating mga viewers. We had the first collaboration of two flagship programs ni CPU, which is packaging engineering at the same time software engineering. In our field, hindi kasi kami gumagawa ng packaging without considering the needs of the product. Kasi most of the people right now, or let's say yung halos ng mga MSME, once they find or nakahanap sila ng magandang packaging, they think of what product to put in that packaging just simply because they wanted to use that packaging.
Mm.
Now, in our field, we're doing the what they call this the opposite. We are we're not just simply compromising the marketing needs, but we're also compromising kung ano talaga yung need ng product. Kasi the packaging might meet my personal requirements, but hindi naman ako yung product. So I will not be the one to decide if I'm suitable for that. So I think that's the importance, no, ng expertise ng packaging engineering.